guys, welcome back to my channel and today's another vlog. It's a very fun vlog. I came to Nammakudla. I'm a Tuluva, so yeah, encha ullar. This is a stay near Someshwara beach and I really love this stay. All the details will be given. We are at Camp 21. We found it online and look at this. We have beach cottages there and that's our villa. That's our cottage, by the way. And we reached here from Bangalore by bus. We reached to Kudla main city, that's Mangalore main city. And so then we came to Ananya's place. Ananya stays here. So we went to her place and we chilled there for a while. The check-in time is 12 p.m. but we reached here by 12:31. We got pretty late. I was so tired that I slept off at Ananya's place. So wait for some time. I'll show you the clip what happened before this. I'm at Ananya's place and time. The morning coffee we are getting. Such good hospitality. So we are getting ready now and we are going for our breakfast here in Kadri Cafe and then heading to our resort. So give you guys an update of where we are and all of that. So right now I'm at Ananya's place. And Mangalore is too hot, like extremely hot. So yeah. So we are at Kadri Cafe in Mangalore. It's quite famous and Ananya is host for us here. So she got us to this place. I have ordered some masala dosa. And Pratiksha has ordered, what is that, puri idli, and Ananya has ordered some rice. So I've also ordered some Mangalore buns. I want to try the taste because in Bangalore I really love it. Dosa is okay, not like Bangalore. I love the buns. It's really nice. We have taken a gift for Ananya and we sneaked it somehow and got a nice jewelry for her from Westside. So we just randomly came here to buy some things for our stay. So that's that. We are finally here. This is the property. Crazy cute it is. That's the reaction. Wow. I'm going to give you all a property tour and a room tour in some time. This is the beach and this is our cottage. So pretty. Love it already. This is a cottage, this is our cottage. So pretty. We have a cute cozy sit out area here and we can watch the beach here. Okay, now let's enter the room. This is the bathroom. Wow, this is amazing. This is the toilet, shower area, and that's the stairs to go down. This is amazing. So pretty. Girls, look behind. Show me your outfits. We are coincidentally twinning.
We should sit there.
It's 3:15 and now we are going to have our lunch. We checked in very late, so that's that. This is outside our villa and that's the dining. So yeah, I'm really happy. I don't have words to say anything about this place. It's really amazing. I'll show you guys the view in some time. It is actually very hot, very humid, and it's a girls trip, so we didn't want to delay it much and then come in summer, so we planned it now on the weekend. So we are here just for 1 night, 2 days, that's that. And I'll leave all the details about the stay in the description down below. There are very few drivers who are ready to come till here. Usually all the drivers charge more, so be ready to pay like 100 or 200 bucks more. So that's that. Anyway, that's it, and I'm going to go have my lunch. I'm starving, I'm hungry. It's been 3 o'clock now, so we're going to chill for some time, then get into the water, hopefully. So this is my beach outfit. I'll show you guys in some time. And coincidentally, we all are twinning, so that's that, and I'll see you guys. So we have ordered veg pulao. That is, what is egg biryani?
Egg fried rice.
Okay, there is veg pulao, egg biryani, egg fried rice, sorry. And this is paneer chili. Let's give a taste test. How is egg
Amazing.
fried rice?
Yummy. It's really nice.
How is it?
Yummy. Yummy.
I love this also. And the veg pulao or biryani, whatever, it's amazing. Food is really nice. In the view we are having this. So good. It's a video. So it's much later and I have taken a shower. All the sand is gone and feels so good. This was much needed, I feel, and it's been like ages. As I told, I have never been into water like this, and I'm always scared to get into the water. So yeah, and this time Ananya was like, let's do it. So yeah, it was so good. So, and also one more thing, I really love my hair when I wash it with Mangalore water. So now I can really understand why Bangalore people complain about water. So the damage it does, it's too bad. I can always see that, and that's so I really love my hair. I'll show you guys once it's dried. I don't think now you guys can understand. I really love when I wash my hair in Mangalore. So yeah, that's that. And we're getting ready now, and we have a plan for Ananya. It's a birthday in a day. We won't be here to celebrate it because we have offices. We have to go back to Bangalore. So me and Pratiksha, we thought that we can celebrate her birthday. We can just do something for her. So we have planned something with the resort people. They are very kind enough, and they literally said if we would have informed them earlier, they would have arranged much better things. But anyway, we thought after coming here, so as I told, we got gifts for her. So we bought a dress for her and some jewelry in Westside. So yeah, I don't know if I've told you this, but I really love celebrating people's birthday. I really love making them feel loved on those days. So that's that. And also the lighting here, I'm loving it. So I want you guys to be there here. I'm doing my skin prep, nothing much. I'm not doing anything more to my face. I'm just applying some moisturizer and sunscreen. So yeah, it was just a day vacation and it was amazing. And yeah, it was peaceful. It was like we needed this. And yeah, we didn't do much. We were just on the beach today. Now there's dinner, and later we are going to have the celebration for Ananya. So that's that. Let's see how it goes, and I'll take you guys. This is my OOTD, and really love this. I got this from Commercial Street for 50 rupees. Really love this. Look at this. Look at the hair texture. I've done nothing. I have done nothing. Just dried it under the fan. That's all. And that's that. Really love this dress. I actually wanted to wear this for the sunset, but we decided to get into the ocean. The vibe here is so good. So we are going to have our dinner in front of the beach. That's where we are going to have our dinner. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but
I didn't know that you liked it. No, I said it. Yeah, after that only we got to know.
okay, we are celebrating it here in our cottage itself because there were too many people there. So we wanted to make it very private.
Are you going to cut? Yes. I can't wait anymore. I will. Happy birthday to me. Happy 28, Ananya. Who's going to blow this?
Yeah,
I'll
exactly.
blow it later.
Wish and then blow it. ಅದೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಶೇಡಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಕಲ್ಲಿ
I will dry all the phones.
Good morning, it's day 2 and our last day. It's almost 10 and we are here for our complimentary breakfast. They have complimentary breakfast here. So we are sitting and having beside the beach, and it's a beachside breakfast for us. There's a dining counter there also, so you can sit anywhere. And we have so many things here. We have fruits, we have idli, appam or neer dosai, both are there, and there's some rice bath and sheera. So yeah, let's have a test. Pratiksha is already saying it's amazing. Let's try. I don't like these kind of idlis, and Ananya is yet to join, so we are just having now and then we'll head back. And yesterday it was amazing. I don't know if I vlogged properly yesterday. We had our time and we were quite tired, so we slept, and it was a good sleep, I can say. We had a good sleep.
Slept late, but
Yeah, we slept really late. Yeah, it was nice. I'm going to miss this view. Did you try the rice bar? You want?
I'll taste.
It's nice. But one thing here, the food is nice.
Yeah.
It's quite a good place for you guys to come. Totally recommended. This was not sponsored, by the way. So, yes. Let's have some Shira.
Nice, no?
It's really nice. It's so good. I love Shira.
Out of everything, I like this.
And pineapple Shira is my favorite, and this is that. I can't find pineapple, by the way. So yeah, we'll finish this up and catch you guys in some. So we are at Village Restaurant in Mangalore. If you're in the city, you have to come here. I've heard a lot from Ananya that this is an amazing place and the ambience is so good. So I'll take you guys along. And this is my OOTD wearing a long maxi dress. I'll see if I can give a outfit check. So that's that. How is it? First time Goli soda.
I'll open yours. I am not having.
So good. Is it that green?
Not that. We get that in morning.
So it's much later and very sudden plan that we went to Daiva Aradhane, nearby place. So it was so good, so beautiful to watch it again. It was amazing and I forgot my camera here. And I have taken quite clips in the phone, so I'm gonna add that. So that's that. And I didn't vlog much after village, so we had food there. It was so tiring. It's so hot here and we are all tired because of the heat and the short trip we are having. So we cut down all the plans and went to watch Kola. So that's that. And now we are back to Ananya's place. Now we have bus by 9:45. So before that I want to have ice cream and papas. That's a ritual when I'm in Bangalore. So yeah, that's that. We are going to Ideal Cafe now in Bharat Mall. So that's it. Also, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm just going to add the clips of everything in the end what we do. So that's all for you guys. That's our Mangalore trip. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it and had fun. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.